Hi guys, today I'm gonna talk about baked beans and what it is. This is the app. What we do is we put in our BNB through our MetaMask wallet. We click on rebake, and that will convert our BNB into beans, and then our beans will mine the BNB for us. Um, with this D app, what we have to look for is for the contract balance and make sure it is still going up. As long as the contract balance is still going up, we should be fine. But eventually, the contract balance is gonna go down. We just gotta make sure we do get the correct amount of money we put in and hopefully some profit. Um, uh, what we need to do with this application is we need to rebake or compound every 6 days, and then on the seventh we get to eat the beans or get the profit. This application pays 8% daily ROI, and we get charged a 5% developer fee. Um, the way you can check the contract balance is on analytics on BNB balance, and then just make sure it continues to grow. And whenever you see it flatlining or going down, it means that the contract balance is going down, and most likely the project is gonna end soon. So just before you invest anything, look at the contract balance, and if you're gonna invest, please use my link to help the channel out. Peace out, and thank you for visiting my channel.